Okay, we're asked to solve this equation. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to start that process. So the first thing we want to do is we always want to start by trying to clear any parentheses. We're just trying to clear up each side independently. So before we try to move stuff from side to side, we want to clean up each side. So I'm going to take that 0.07 and I am going to distribute it. So I'm going to do 0.07 times 3, which is 0.21x. And then here we have another 0.21x because I took this right here and I distributed to both parts of these. Okay, and I'm going to do the same on the other. So I'm going to take that 0.21 and I'm going to get that. And then I'm going to get plus, let's see, what do I got here? I got 0.21 times 7, which is 1.47. And of course, you could be using your calculator, which I assure you I am too. Okay, so I distributed both sides. Now, this side is as simplified as it could get, right? Because these are both unlike terms. But over here, I can combine these two. So I'm going to do that next before I do anything else. So I'm going to do 0.14 minus 1.68, which gives me minus 0.21. Okay? Now, at this point, you can do two things. First of all, you can notice that both of these sides are identical. This side is identical to this side, right? That means that these are the same line. They're the same thing. This is going to be all reals, okay? So I'd come back over here, and I could, at this point, I could notice what's going on. If I graph both these independently, I'd get one line because they're the same line. So any answer would work here. Or maybe I didn't notice that, and I'm like, okay, well, I want to put the x's together, so I'm going to subtract 0.21 from both sides. So I'm going to do negative 0.21x and minus 0.21x. I'm just blithely going along, didn't notice anything. Oh, well, that's a 0, so I've got negative underline anymore. Negative 0.021 equals negative 0.021. And I have no variable left. But this is a true statement, right? So because it's a true statement, this means all reals. Had I got a false statement, so say I got something like 0.21 equals 10, then this would be no solution because it would have been false.